OpenOffice Calc text functions. In this lesson, we're going to look at text functions in OpenOffice Calc. So we're going to start off with the left text function, and this function will copy characters from the left-hand side of a cell. So for instance, we're going to do equals left, open bracket. I'm going to select the text that I want to copy from, in this case the name, and then I'm going to put in my semicolon, and I'm going to tell the computer that I want to copy the first character. Okay, so just one for one character. Close bracket, press enter. So that's going to copy the A from the left hand side of this cell. Your right function will copy information or characters from the right hand side of your cell. So I'm going to work with my name again, semicolon, and I'm going to copy one character. And this time it's going to copy from the right hand side of the cell. Your mid function is used to specify from which character you would like to start copying information or characters. Okay, so equals mid, open bracket, and let's say we want to copy the two ends here in the middle. So I'm going to select that cell again, cell A2, comma. I want to start copying from character number 2, character 1, 2, so character number 2, and I want to copy 2 characters in total. Okay, so you're going to put in another 2 for the number of characters that you want to copy. Close your bracket and press enter. Right, and there's your 2 ends. Concatenate will join cells together. Okay, so for instance, I could say equals concatenate, open bracket, and I can say, right, I want to take cell A2, semicolon, and I want to join that with whatever's in cell B2. Close your brackets and press enter. You'll notice at this point that there's no space between an and the jager because you don't have a space at the end of the name in cell A2. So you can go and put that into your function. So after A2 you could specify in quotation marks that you want to put in a space. Just remember to add in that semicolon before cell B2. Right, and there's your space now. You can also decide or choose to rather use the ampersand to do the concatenation. Okay, so instead of using equals concatenate, so I'm just going to delete that, you can go and put in the ampersand sign between the different sections that you want to join together, and your output will look exactly the same. Len will count the number of characters that you have in a specified cell. So equals len, open bracket, select the text. In this case, I'm going to count the number of characters in surname. Close your brackets and press enter. And you'll see that gives you the value 8. So let's have a look at surname. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So just note that it will also count the space as a character. The next function is the value function. Now, when you copy and paste information into a spreadsheet, it's sometimes that it copies the numbers as text. Okay, so you'll see here it's aligned to the left, which in Excel usually means that the computer sees it as text and not as a number. So if you use your value function and you select that particular cell, it will convert that into a number. So you'll see that it's now aligned to the right hand side. So it's converted that text into a number that you can now use in functions and formulae. The next one we're going to look at is find. Now find will find the position of a specified character in a string. Okay, so equals find, and let's find the space in the surname de Jager. Okay, so first you have to specify what you're looking for. Okay, so find the following text, space bar, put it in quotation marks. Then you have to tell it where to go look for it. So I want to find the space in the surname, so that's B2. Okay, and then also you need to specify the start position. So I'm going to start looking for the space from the first character in this particular cell. So that's why I'm typing in the 1 there and press enter. And you'll see that the result is 3, And if we go have a look from the first character, it's 1, 2, 3 characters, and that is where you'll find the space.